Hi, welcome to Excel Insights and Beyond with Satty. I'm Satty, and I'm glad to have you here. If you are hearing this, it means you want to level up your Excel skills, and I'm here to help you with that. A brief note about me: I've been working with Excel for many years and have helped tons of professionals and students make the most of this powerful tool. As you know, I share tips and tricks on my YouTube channel to make Excel easier to use. Today, I'm launching this podcast because I want to bring Excel even closer to you. You can learn Excel while working, exercising, or doing any other activity. So, what can you expect from this podcast? Simple. Each week, I'll bring you quick, practical Excel tips that you can use right away. We'll cover everything from basic functions and shortcuts to advanced tricks that can save you hours of work. I'll also talk about how Excel fits into automation, data analysis, and even AI. Most episodes will be short, under 10 minutes. Just enough to learn something useful without taking too much of your time. And as the podcast grows, I might bring in guests to share their insights too. And I want to hear from you. If you have questions or want me to cover a specific topic, let me know. You might even hear your question featured in an episode. Alright, let's start with a quick Excel tip. If you've ever struggled with adjusting column widths, here's a trick. Just double-click the boundary between two column letters, and Excel will automatically resize it to fit the longest entry. Try it out, it'll save you time. Next week, we'll dive into how Excel helps you find data quickly. I'll explain VLOOKUP and some other handy tricks to make searching easier. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning into the first episode of Excel Insights and Beyond. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share. See you next week.